All right. By the way, my name is Versatile, aka the I Can Be Untrusted Name you can trust when it comes to all things reactions. And right now we're gonna get into whoa, that sounds mad to get into. We're gonna react to um for the day 24, June 16th, 2025. I say day 24, but let's just say June 16th, 2025. You already know. Give me a second. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. By the way, my name is Versatile, aka see, I'm trying to rush. Let me calm down. By the way, my name is Versatile, aka the I Can Be Untrusted Name you can trust when it comes to all things reactions. And right now we are going to react to Diddy's trial. So make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for week 6. All right, this is for the 16th of June 2025. Ironically, the day of Tupac's birthday. Ironically, guess who's in jail or who's on trial? It's Diddy, aka Puffy, aka Diddy, what P Diddy, whatever. You know me, Puff Daddy or whatever you want to call him. You know me. Puffy is in court on trial. Yeah. All right. So let's just get straight into it. So the overview for the day 24, the first day of the trial for 6th week, featured prosecution witness DeLeassa Penland, Frank Piazza, Brendan Paul didn't testify actually. So I don't know what's mentioning that. Give me a second. I had the notes here. Oh, he did actually. It was more of a thing where he said he wanted immunity or something like that. Give me a second. All right, so DeLeassa Penland, the special agent, U.S. attorney. All right, so let's get straight into the first thing. So day 24 advanced and the prosecution's case for Penland presenting text and financial records. Remember, they presented evidence, right? Piazza and authenticating surveillance videos, and Brendan Paul detailing the blank trap. Hang on. Give me a second. All right, so there's a testimony from DeLeassa Penland, who is the special agent, U.S. Attorney's Office. All right, SDNY. Her role was a summary witness presenting evidence, including text and financial records, right? Details, the details of what happened in this case, right? Or her testimony. Penland testified for 3 hours under direct examination by AUSA Emily Johnson. She presented 2023 text between, or the 2023 text between Sean Combs and Christina Coram, coordinating a blank off in Miami, including text from Sean Combs, make sure the suite is ready, 2 girls, Don and Antoine, Miami vibe. Penland showed 2022 bank records of Sean Combs' American Express paying $12,000 to for escorts flights from New York to Miami booked under Frank Blank. She also detailed 2023 wire transfer $8,000 to Jane, labeled consulting, but tied to Blankoff. Penland stated the wire sent hours after a text about a hotel night. No cross-examination occurred on this day, but we move. All right, so the link to the charges, link to the charges, right? RICO, the text, this is the most important thing. Link to the charges, text and payments show enterprise logistics for orchestrated events. That is a RICO. RICO, Diddy. RICO, Diddy. Anyway, so blank traffic. So, by the way, sorry. Hotel night planning supports coercion via orchestrated blank acts, which is blank trafficking. Yeah, it's important to understand when these people testify. Do you know what I mean? It's like they're in a situation. They're in a situation where, at the end of the day, if you've put your, I don't want to say put your money on it, but you have to understand everything links to whatever, links to the charges. They're not gonna just do these things as if it's to put that they're gonna mess up their success rate. Don't get that twisted. But anyway, and if you are a Diddy defender, I'm gonna say this right now. There's no chance that Diddy's winning this case. No chance. Okay? It's okay. You're gonna be all right, but there's no chance of him winning this case. There's no chance. Anyway, so where is it? There was another thing here. So New York to Miami flights confirmed interstate activity, which is transportation. Yeah, transportation of blank. You know what I mean? That's what that is. Anyway, so we get to the next testimony. So, which is from Frank Piazza, the forensic video expert. So he's back again. The independent video analysis authenticating surveillance footage, right? So Piazza testified for 2 hours with cross-examination, 1 hour by Jonathan Buck and redirect, 1 hour by AUSA Emily Johnson. In cross, Buck challenged 2023 New York club video showing Combs pushing Jane against a wall, questioning low lighting and possible editing. Piazza responded, "The push is unmistakable. Metadata verifies no tampering. Metadata verifies no tampering." All right. In redirect, Johnson showed 2022 Miami hotel video depicting Jane appearing uncomfortable. Depicting Jane being uncomfortable or appearing uncomfortable with escorts. Appearing uncomfortable with escorts. All right. That's a video that's being shown. That's not just hearsay. That's a video that's being shown that's not being tampered with. All right, let's keep it moving. Her posture and movements indicate distress. This aligned with Jane's day 20 testimony of coercion. Judge Subramanian upheld the video's admissibility under FRE 901. I don't know why I did that, but okay, we move. But anyway, so pushing, link to the charges now, yeah? Pushing indicates enterprise intimidation, which is RICO. Push supports coercion via violence, which is blank trafficking. Miami video ties interstate event, which is transportation. All right, so that is that. So, in summary, right? In summary, the link to the charges, prosecution, Penland's Miami vibe text, and well, her testimony mentioned about the Miami vibe text, which is the $12,000 Amex payments, and Piazza's pushing video or testify authenticating the pushing video and Miami footage demonstrates enterprise logistics and intimidation, which is racketeering, which is RICO. RICO, Diddy. You know what I'm saying? RICO, Diddy. All right. So in the defense, Buck's video authenticating challenges aim to undermine enterprise. But you can't undermine it when the fact that the evidence is there, it's not been tampered with. So I don't know what he's trying to do. Impact, the sweet ready text and unmistakable push, solidify and organize enterprise. Like there's a lot there's a lot here, right, to go by. However, I just need you to understand that when it comes to these type of cases, yeah, it can be complex, but this particular day wasn't complex. You can't argue against it. I mean, obviously, the defense team can if they want to, which they did, but it's not gonna make Diddy look innocent any further. It's just not. It's not like, I'll be honest. From the video footage of him versus him basically abusing Cassie physically, that shows violence. Yeah. Now, obviously, they showed a different video this time where he's pushing Jane. That again shows violence. They've played many different audios where Diddy has shown a level of violence. Even the way that he texts is a level of coercion. That you need to understand. There's so much to this that I don't understand how some people want to say that Diddy will walk this or he will go free. I don't understand it. I just don't understand it. Like, hold on, give me a second. Like, yeah, I just don't understand how anyone could think he's innocent, or not even just that. He's not innocent. He's innocent of RICO charges. It's their blood. Do you know what I mean? Even okay, yeah, evidence does matter, but sometimes the whole Kid Cudi situation with that car, again, the fact that a Bad Boy Entertainment car was nearby, excuse me, that shows. What did that show? Again, that shows RICO. Whether they can prove Diddy did it or not, or whether he got someone else to do it, that's RICO. Like, you can't argue with that. Even with this, you can't argue with it. If there's a video surveillance footage where they had to get someone to authenticate these claims, then you have to understand that it's beyond what this is. It's beyond what some are perceiving as just DV. DV, by the way, is also a crime. It's also a crime. I don't think you understand. Yes, some people may feel like they get away with it, but it's still a crime. Try. But anyway, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Hit the like button, hit the description, hit the subscribe button. Let's keep it moving. Let's get to the next day.